Okay, so from after reading each subheading, try to recall all the subheadings. Like you studied first subheading, now second subheading. Okay,
Mm.
now take a pause and recall the entire chapter, whatever you have read till now. So tell me what all we have read till now.
Wow, why do we need constitutions and its importance? Under its importance, there is the constitutions allows coordination and assurance. And under this, constitutions allows coordination and assurance that there should be a law, there should be a basic rules that uh, that is minimal for the coordinations among the society. So there should be a basic rule. And second is specifications of decision making power. So like decision in this decision, like who is going to decide, who is going to take decisions in a society, and how it will govern.
Yes.
Mm.
So what three examples were given in the second point? In a monarchical constitution, who decides?
Monarchs.
In countries like Soviet Union,
Like there is one
one
political
single
party
single political party, and in democratic constitutions,
by the
people
people.
people themselves. Okay,
Mm.
and in India, who is deciding?
Parliament.
Parliament.
Mm.
Okay, so understood. So the first function was saying that there has to be certain basic rules. The
Mm.
second point further
Mm.
elaborated that first point itself by saying that who will get the authority to decide these basic rules. So that
Mm.
is also the function of the constitution, that constitution will tell us that who will decide those basic rules,
Yes.
right? Who has the decision making power in a society, and how the government will be made for a society. Understood? So this is how you have to read,
Yes. Sir.
and this is how you will make your notes also simultaneously.
Mm-hmm.
Now understood?
Yes, ma'am. But what I'm doing is I'm just reading, and whatever like different word I found that I'm just taking only, and I'm trying to connect only, and then I'm trying to find out the conclusion.
Hmm.
Then again I forget whatever I read in reading.
No, but this is, if you will do this way, na, ki one subheading, then recall in your mind, then another
Mm.
subheading, but with another recall from starting. Only then that entire story will be stored in your mind.
Mm.
Okay.
And at the same time, I have to frame question and answer. Question and
Yes.
answer. Mm.
Yes. Because that will help you understand the things. Basically, that question answer will help you understand the things.
Mm.
And that will help you remember the things also. Because when we have questions in our mind, na, then our mind automatically start thinking the answers for them, and it
Mm.
starts storing information in that format only, so
Mm.
it gets very easy to recall.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now will you be able to do it? Give it a, give it one more try. Okay,
Mm.
if possible try to read the entire chapter, but if not possible, just first complete with your notes
Mm.
till we had decided yesterday.
How was the Indian Constitution made?
Ha. Okay, till here make the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Mm.
and then
And
send me
one
your
more thing,
notes
ma'am.
also.
Prelims question analysis. I'm
Ha.
having one doubt in that.
Okay, I'm opening it.
Let me share you script.
Ha, just a second.